So hello and welcome guys. Today's video is going to be about a replacement for Elgato that is using our USB charger. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. First of all, open any browser and then enter the link that is shown in the screen. I will give this link in the description also. After entering this link, you will be shown a page. Now slow down and head to the bottom and you will see scrpy for different versions of Windows. I am downloading Windows 64 version and it's downloaded. Now after downloading it, you need to extract it. Go to the file or the downloaded location and then extract it anywhere you want. So I have already done it and my extracted file is here. So this is my extracted file and I am going to open it. So let me open it and open it again, and here you can see a scrcpy file, which is an application file, and all you have to do is deal with this file. So rest of the process I will be showing with my mobile screen. On your mobile screen, go to settings and then go to about phone and click on MIUI version for 7 to 10 times and your developer settings will be enabled. And if you have any problem enabling the developer option, you can just comment. I will help you at the comment section. And then go to additional settings and then developer options. After going to developer options, you have to scroll down, and by default your USB debugging will be off. You have to turn it on. While turning it on, you will be shown a prompt, so just simply check on it and click on OK after the timer ends. Now your USB debugging has been enabled. So here I have my mobile, my type C USB cable and laptop. So first of all, let me plug this part into my laptop and then the next part of this charger to my mobile. So here I have connected it into my laptop, and after that you do not need to give any permission. You can just simply click on cancel, and then you have to click on this scrcpy, that is application. Click on it and it will load a command prompt and your mobile screen will be visible here. So I'm gonna enlarge it, so you can see here this is a mobile screen and it is being mirrored. So let me show you by opening any game. So for example, I am opening this eFootball. You can see with almost zero lag and zero delay, it is being broadcasted in my screen. So this was for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon.